Here's a clear comparison of two software platforms. An AI voice continues from here.
Starting with pricing, TaxSlayer positions itself as one of the most budget-friendly tax filing platforms in the US. The Simply Free plan costs $0 for federal filing, with state filing included, and supports W-2 income, unemployment income, taxable interest, standard deductions, education credits, prior year return uploads, and basic filing statuses. This makes it suitable for straightforward returns without forcing upgrades. Once returns become more complex, TaxSlayer moves into paid tiers that remain clearly defined. The classic plan costs $22.99 plus state, unlocking all filing statuses, additional income types, and major tax forms. The premium plan is priced at $42.99 plus state, adding priority phone and email support along with broader deduction coverage. For freelancers and contractors, the self-employed plan costs $52.99 plus state, supporting Schedule C income, business expenses, depreciation, and self-employment deductions. Importantly, pricing remains flat and predictable, with fewer surprise prompts during filing. In comparison, H&R Block uses tiered pricing that scales more aggressively with complexity. The basic plan starts at $40 for simple returns. Deluxe plus state is $60. Premium is $85, and premium and business reaches $100, with additional state fees often applying. While H&R Block includes unlimited help across plans, features like investments, rental income, or business activity push users quickly into higher priced tiers. For filers with moderate complexity, total costs can rise faster than expected. From a pure cost perspective, TaxSlayer undercuts H&R Block significantly for comparable filing scenarios, especially for self-employed users and multi-form returns. Moving into features, TaxSlayer delivers a straightforward, no-frills experience focused on speed and clarity. The interface guides users through income, deductions, and credits using simple prompts instead of long interview chains. Users can upload prior year returns, import documents, and access free phone and email support across all paid plans. The platform supports all major tax forms, itemized deductions, dependents, education credits, and multi-state filing. Self-employed users benefit from built-in expense categorization and Schedule C handling without being locked behind premium bundles. While the design is minimal, it prioritizes efficiency over visual polish. Pros and cons are clear. On the positive side, TaxSlayer offers excellent value, predictable pricing, and broad tax form coverage at a lower cost. It's ideal for filers who understand their tax situation and want control without upsells. Support remains accessible, and upgrades feel optional rather than forced. On the downside, the interface lacks advanced automation, fewer proactive suggestions are offered, and first-time filers with complex returns may need more guidance than the software provides. Switching to H&R Block, the platform emphasizes guidance, accessibility, and layered human support alongside its tax software. H&R Block's filing experience is built around guided steps that walk users through income sources, deductions, and credits in plain language, making it approachable for beginners and occasional filers. The system supports W-2 income, investments, retirement income, rental properties, and self-employment depending on the tier selected,
which gives it flexibility across many tax situations. Unlimited help is available across plans, allowing users to ask questions via chat or phone while filing, reducing uncertainty for people who want reassurance before submitting their return. H&R Block also integrates document import, prior year return uploads, and built-in error checks designed to catch common mistakes before submission. As users move into higher tiers, additional tools unlock for handling investments, rental properties, stock sales, cryptocurrency transactions, and business income. One unique advantage is flexibility. Users can start with DIY software and later transition to assisted help or even in-office expert services if their situation becomes more complicated mid-process. Audit support, accuracy guarantees, and optional identity protection services further strengthen confidence for filers who want safety nets. However, these benefits come with trade-offs. Pricing escalates quickly as complexity increases, and many users report ending up in higher tiers than initially expected once additional income types are detected. State filing fees often add to the final cost, pushing total spend higher than the advertised entry price. While guidance is strong, the interface can feel cluttered at times, and upsell prompts appear frequently throughout the filing journey, which may frustrate cost-conscious users. For experienced filers, the extra guidance can feel unnecessary and slow. Looking at public ratings, TaxSlayer holds an exact Trustpilot rating of 4.2 out of 5, based on 30,040 reviews, reflecting strong satisfaction with affordability, clarity, and overall ease of use. H&R Block holds an exact Capterra rating of 4.2 out of 5, based on 70 reviews. While the review count on Capterra is smaller, it still suggests generally positive sentiment. As always, ratings should be viewed directionally, since user experience can vary widely depending on tax complexity and chosen service tier. Final takeaway: choose TaxSlayer if you want lower pricing, fewer upsells, and a fast, no-nonsense filing experience. Choose H&R Block if you value guided help, access to real humans, and flexible support options as your tax situation evolves. If this breakdown helped, like the video, subscribe for more honest tax software comparisons, and click the link below to access the platform that best fits your filing style and budget. This makes it especially useful for filers who want extra reassurance during complex or first-time tax situations.